Hi everyone. So we're gonna do a 15-minute walk. We're gonna start with just a gentle march. So bringing the arms into it. So we're gonna change it up every 30 seconds to do a different exercise, just to challenge the body in a little bit of a different way. So go at your own pace, grab some water when you need to. It's a short class, so just do what you can. And everybody is at a different level, so take that break if you need it. All right, so marching along here, 10 more seconds and we're gonna change it up. So we'll change it up by bringing our heels forward and press the arms forward. All right, so pushing those heels forward and bringing the hands forward. So throughout the class, try and use some resistance in the exercises if you want to make it a little bit harder. So what I mean is by pressing the hands and pulling back. So trying to keep those elbows up if you can. And then we're just gonna tap a foot out to the side and then bring a hand out as well. So if you want to, you can just do the leg portion instead. If you find it's too much bringing the arms into it, just use your legs, and then eventually when you're ready, you can bring your arms into it. All right, we'll go into our tricep press on the next one. Okay, so pressing back. So what I want you to do is really think about the triceps here. You're squeezing those triceps, kicking a foot back. So press and really squeeze those arms. You can really feel the workout in your arms here if you're really concentrating on squeezing that muscle as you press those hands back. All right, let's go into our single jack. So one arm up, one foot out. You can make this harder by using both arms if you wish. All right, we're going to go back into a side step and we're going to do a bicep curl. So just tapping the toes back and forth and bringing the hands up and squeezing those biceps. So if you want to, you could also use a 1 pound weight throughout the class if you wanted to make it a little bit harder. This is meant to be a gentle class, so you just have to do what works best for you for increasing the intensity if you wish to do that. Okay, let's have our hands up. Let's bring an elbow down to that knee. Now, if this is too hard, then just bring a knee up instead. So working the abs here, thinking about those abs as you're crunching that arm down. So trying to keep the abs tight. Okay, going back into a march, bringing those arms really into it, just pumping those arms. The next one we're going to do a lateral raise. Let's get those shoulders into the workout. So taking a deep breath in and breathing out. All right, let's tap out and bring our arms up. Now, if this is too much, just do singles. So meaning just one arm at a time. And for the next one, we're gonna press our hands forward. So pressing forward, tapping your foot back. So press, press, trying to keep those elbows up. So you should be good and warmed up by now. Next we're going to do a two-step. So going to the side, one step, two-step, and just going back and forth. Let's bring those arms into it for a bicep curl. So really squeezing those arms. So we're having the weights would be handy for giving those arms a little bit more of a workout if you needed it. Okay, staying in the center here, what I want you to do is out, out, a little squat, in, out, out. So you don't need to do a big squat here. It's totally on what your abilities are. So if you can, squat all the way down, come up little steps. If you can only do a little one, that's fine. We are always sitting, when we go to sit on a couch, sitting in a chair at meal times, so it's really important to work on the strength in our legs. Having more muscle around the knees also helps the knees. All right, stepping back and forth. Let's press our arms forward and pull in, keeping those elbows up. So pulling back. Going at your own pace. If you need to slow it down, by all means, please do. Okay, let's bring our arms into a chest press, keeping with the side step and just pressing the hands together. So press and out, press and out. So working the chest here and the arms. And we're gonna do some more tricep work. Okay, let's press the hands back. Let's bring the heels back as well, like we did earlier. So press, press, really squeeze those arms as your arms are straight. Press, press. All right, for the next one, we're gonna do a kick in front. Okay, so just kicking in front, pressing an arm in front. So you can do opposite arm and opposite foot, or the same side, it really doesn't matter. All right, we're gonna do a bit of a walk here. I'm gonna go to the side just because it's easier for me with the camera. So you're taking 3 steps of bringing a knee up. So step, 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 knee up, step, 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 knee up. So you can just face the TV or your screen, whatever you're using, so you stay on track. Okay, last one. Going back in front, side step, let's get the arms back into it. So arms up and down. So working the shoulders here. And the next one we'll do a shoulder press. Give the shoulders a bit of a different workout. A lot of people have a hard time with their shoulders, so do what you can. If you can't press above, continue to do this arm movement instead. Okay, so pressing above, so push, bring them down to this level and up again. Continuing with the side step. And then we're gonna go to high knees. So we're gonna bring one knee up at a time, obviously. Okay, one knee up, and let's try and bring that elbow towards the knee. Keep going. So we're 10 minutes in. All right, back and forth again. Let's bring the arms forward this time. Down, up, forward. So working the shoulders and the arms here. One more. Okay, let's bring an arm out and tap out to the side. If you want, you can use both arms at the same time here. Okay, let's go back to our 2 steps. So 1 and 2, 1 and 2, bicep curl. You're almost done already. It's a short workout, but it's good even if you do a whole bunch of 10 to 15 minute workouts in a day. I mean, if you can just do the 1 15-minute workout, that's great. But if you can do more, you know, if you can do 1 in the morning and 1 in the evening, then you've got your 30-minute workout in, and that's really good. So just swinging the arms. Let's swing the arms back and forth here. You don't need to do a long workout. Like, you don't need to work out for half an hour straight or an hour straight, as long as you're getting in, trying to get in as many steps as you can, up to about 10,000. But you can do 10-minute workouts all through the day, and that would be, you know, it's really super beneficial. Okay, pressing forward. They say there's no difference whether you do that in one workout or a whole bunch of short workouts. So pressing, keeping those elbows up. All right, let's go back into our single jacks, which is a great exercise. So 1 arm out, 1 arm out. You've got about 2 minutes left and you're all done. All right, let's do 1 more set of those squats. Okay, so out, out, squat, in, out, out, squat, in. By strengthening the muscles around the knees, you're gonna have less pain in your knees. I know it may cause a lot of pain actually working your knees, but it is really beneficial to strengthen those muscles around the knees to make it easier to walk. Going into that bicep curl again. So we're doing a hammer curl here. That's where the hands are in a little bit of a different position, challenging the bicep in a bit of a different way. Next, I'm going to punch those arms forward for some work in the triceps. So we'll do a heel tap. All right, so pressing forward. So push, push, push. Got 1 minute left. So thanks for joining me today. Please write in the comments, let me know what you'd like to see in future workouts. Okay, let's do our 2-step. So 1 and 2, and let's bring those arms back again. let's just finish with the walk. All right, taking a deep breath in and breathing out. Let's bring the arms overhead, deep breath in and breathing out. Last one. And breathing out. I hope to hear from you and hope to see you again, or I hope you'll come back again for another workout. Have a great day and take care. Okay, bye for now.